In this Python tutorial, we will learn what the ABS built-in function does. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. We can reach the absolute value of a number by using the ABS function. Let's make examples to learn how to use the ABS function. First, I create an integer variable. I send the variable I created to the ABS function. Then I assign it to another variable. I can print the variable to the screen using the print command. The absolute value of the number -60 is 60. Values of integer, float or complex data types can be sent to the ABS function. Now let's send a value of float data type to the ABS function. A value of float data type is returned. If we send a complex value to the ABS function, the magnitude of the number will be returned. In this Python tutorial, we learned what the ABS built-in function does. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.